With a legacy of innovation since 1840, the Glen Grant family have always been admired for doing things differently. The Major especially was revered as a legendary inventor, a visionary ahead of his time. With a thirst for the new and a passion for the unconventional, he embraced the discoveries and inventions of the 19th century, leaving a lasting presence within his local Speyside community and beyond. Today, the Major's gardens reveal an enduring insight into his inspired vision. Distilled with devotion in an uncompromising quest for quality, the Major's revolutionary tall copper stills capture only the finest vapours, full of rich, delicate, fruity notes. Both taste and tradition unite to create a distinctively golden liquid, whose smooth and seductive flavour we encourage you to savour and embrace. Our unique liquid encapsulates the raw, majestic beauty of Mother Nature in every drop. Honourably sourced and attentively crafted, this is the malt that unfolds and intrigues with each sip. Capturing the spirit of his heartland and enrapturing those who desire its company. Pursue the unconventional. Choose to open your mind to the enchanting legacy of Glen Grant, whose natural ingenuity rewards those who take the time to seek it out.